Looking to boost the performance and longevity of your Dell server or workstation? Today, we're diving into the OWC 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz ECC registered RDIMM, a memory upgrade designed to breathe new life into your existing infrastructure or provide a solid foundation for a new build. This module is specifically engineered as a replacement for Dell part numbers AA783421, AA799064, AA810826, and AB214251, ensuring compatibility and a hassle-free installation process. It's crucial to understand that this isn't your everyday desktop RAM. This is ECC registered memory, a type primarily used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring system stability, especially during critical operations. Because of this, it is not compatible with standard desktop computers, and it cannot be mixed with unbuffered memory. OWC has built this module to be 100% compliant with JEDEC standards, ensuring it meets or exceeds the original manufacturer's specifications. It's also RoHS compliant, demonstrating a commitment to environmental responsibility. This memory operates at 1.2 V, adhering to the DDR4 standard for power efficiency. One of the standout features of OWC is their commitment to customer support. They offer a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and demonstrating their confidence in the product's reliability. Plus, free tech support is included, so you're never left stranded if you encounter any issues. If you're serious about maximizing the performance and reliability of your Dell server or workstation, the OWC 16GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM is definitely worth considering. It's a cost-effective way to extend the life of your existing hardware or build a robust new system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.